Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download or export your design from Canva to your PC. So the first thing you do is open up your Canva app, and if you're using the website you can simply just go to www.canva.com and then it brings you here. Don't forget to sign in. So after signing in, this is home. And the home page now, the next thing you do is open the design you want to export. So let's say I want to export, you can see these are my recent designs. Let's say I want to export this particular one. So click on it. Right now we can see the design. You can see them. There are a lot of designs here. So I have about 35 designs. 35 designs. To see them properly, let me show you. Like this. Or I can give you the good view. Alright, so these are all the designs. Now if I want to export them, what do? You see this option up here, share. The share option up here. Tap on it and then you tap on, when I want to export it, or in this case download it onto the PC, so you tap on download over here. And then the next thing you do is you choose the file type. We have different file types. We have JPG, PNG, which is the suggested file type. We have PDF standard, PDF print, SVG. It can only be used by premium users. It's the best one for design and animation. So we have MP4 video, which is a high quality video, GIF. We have, okay, sorry about that. We have GIF and we have PPTX, which is Microsoft PowerPoint document. So once again, JPG, best for sharing, PNG, best for complex images and illustration, PDF standard, best for documents and emailings, PDF print, best for printing, SVG, best for web design and animations, MP4 video, best for high quality videos, GIF for short clip with no sound, and PPTX, which means Microsoft PowerPoint document. These are the different type of file size. Let's say I want to download mine in PNG. And within PNG, next you check the size. Here we are looking at the size of the document, of not really the size of the document as well as resolution. So we have 1280 by 720. So you can also limit the size here by clicking on limit the size. So I don't actually want to limit the size. So let's go back. So limit the size to whatever KB you want. By putting it here, you can compress the file to lower the quality. Then you can also choose if you want the transparent background or not. So the next thing, you just select the pages you want to download. This all of them, leave it on, or if not all of them, click on this and then you can choose current page, all pages, or you'll mark the pages you do not want to download. Let's say I only want to download one page, just page 4. So what I'll do is I'll go here and remove this. So I'll mark it until what is left is only page 4. That's because I've marked the rest before. So if the page you want is unmarked, mark it and unmark the rest. If the page you want is marked, make sure the rest are marked. As you can see, it's saying it right here. Or you can just come here and type in the page you want. Delete it. So let's delete what is there already and just write the page you want. It's the simplest way. Then you can see preference, save download settings. Make sure you toggle this on, or in this case mark it, and then you press on download. So you can see it's how to play YouTube. This is number 4. So Let's open it up and see. I click download it. So this is our download. We click on download. Let's see the file is there. You can see the file here. This is the recent download. If we open it up, this is it. That's it. Now make sure you don't make this mistake here of having two different titles. The one on the thumbnail and this is different. Yours should be the same. So don't forget to title the design here. This is where you title the design. So don't forget to do that. So that is it. Now, additional tips. In case your design contains premium elements, you might see a Canva watermark. To remove it, you can either upgrade to a Canva Pro account or purchase the individual elements. Now, if your design has multiple pages, you can choose to download all the pages or specific pages. The way I said, when I selected a particular page, instead of downloading all of them, if I want to download all of them here, I just simply tap on select pages and I'll tap all pages up here. That's all. So also transparency. For design with transparent backgrounds, choose PNG as the file format. If you choose PNG, it helps to preserve the transparency. So by following all the steps that I've shown you, you can easily download your Canva designs to your PC and use them for various purposes. I hope you have been able to solve your problem on how to download or export your Canva design from Canva to your PC. If I did and you like this video, please subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching. Till next time.